Wala ka, coach, wala. Hawakan mo to, dalawa hawakan mo.
Wala.
Power bank.
Coach, penalty, apat pa rin, no? Lima pa. Shoot yung una, coach. Apply, parehas. Ano pilitin niya, call ni Loren?
3 seconds violation. Ball goes to sila.
30.
Bitaw. Sige, bitaw mo na. Para di ka na maghawak.
Pass to India. India strike. There's a foul.
Huwag mo patayin.
Basket count.
Ano lang, dead. Time out lang ang patay niyan.
Number 14.
Coach, Baisa, first personal foul.
Baisa, first personal foul. First team foul. Three-point play completed. Jersey number 17, India.
Coach, ano yung pilitin niya?
Estanke po. Estanke.
Baisa na naman sa gitna. Wala. Al-Mahar stop. No. Number 42. Turn the ball over. Ball goes to sila. Ramos.
Ramos ko sila sa Chelsea, coach.
Using the screen. Ramos down. Troy Bakar. Traveling violation.
Doon mo, Cholo. Hanggang kita. Sige, doon mo dito.
Cholo. Baisa. Taking 3. Go. Almasan fake, Almasan stop, Almasan shot, no? Cholo. Miscommunication between Cholo and jersey number 42. India sa ilalim, Al-Mahar, fading away, no?
Coach, pagka 5 minutes.
Number 42, post to post.
Pag-catball, coach.
Pag-sumot.
India counter post to post using the left, no? Almasan, rebound from the ball and put back to point.
Mandatory, coach.
Mandatory substitution. 5 out, 5 in, both teams. 5 out, 5 in. What a strong start for the Silang 2. With the score of 7-0. Sevilla. Another turnover for the Gentry 2. Committing a couple of turnovers. Violation. Ball goes back to Gentry 2.
Sahay! Ikaw mag-inbound, Sahay! Ikaw!
Sevilla, intercepted na naman ni India. India nagmamadali. Nakagawa ng bola.
Defense na, defense.
India, Komentar. Mika, 2
Wala pa ba
points.
ang score?
Coach, tingin ko may score si Coach Ron na pure kanina eh. Parang meron.
Kala ko na-shoot si
Pero
Estan.
may nakita ko na shoot kanina.
Lawrence with a smooth floater, 2 points.
Defense!
Grabe yung touch. Nicely. Number 2, offensive foul. What a nice hustle coming from jersey number 28, Sevilla. Para may balik ang bola si Edwidge. Rebounded by Sahay to Sevilla. Taking 3! No! Rebounded by India. India goes to host. India using the gas and there's a foul. Jersey number 12, Sahay. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Pumasok.
Oo, Coach. Pasok.
Shoot isa.
Shoot, Coach.
Another attempt for jersey number 2, India. The gently committing a line violation.
Coach, may dalawa na.
Ball goes to Gentry. The score is 10-2 in favor of Silam. 8 points lead. Ayan na naman si India. Pass sa ilalim. Amita. To Montoya. Fake. 3 seconds violation.
Press 2, coach. Silang 2.
Sahay. Intercepted by Vidar. Amita also goes. Rebounded by Montoya to back. No. Amita sa ilalim. Turnaround shot. No. Masangkay. Drilling the ball. Pass to Sevilla. Sevilla nagtitimon. Pass to Torres. Fake. India stop, India shot, no. India using the glass. There's a traveling violation. Another turnover. A couple of turnovers committed for Gentry. Piedad. Sa perimeter wala.
Jai, last shot tayo, Jai! Last shot!
Torres sa gitna. Torres fake. Torres right around. Almost nothing but the shot.
Grabe yung turn around. Ikaw mo naman yun. Balik ko na ulit sa sila yung foul coach mo. Hindi, ano na yun, second quarter. Foul lang. Gumamit ng high mark yun. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Loren. Nakakuha yung number 8. Diretso. Almeida. Tumatake. Wow. Small rep. Number 17. 32nd personal foul.
Isa lang siya mo wala nila yun. Isa lang diba? Tatlong ganyan.
Number 12. Bababa ng bola. Number 17, India. Number 6, Mira.
Cholo, cholo.
Sulat. Fake. Stop. Almea. Masusulat. One jump shot. No. Sinasa sa kalaban. Number 12. Sinusubukan. India. Pasok na Pasok India ulit. Tumatake. 2 points. Basket.
Pandaw.
Panlaw. Tumatake. Wala.
Coach, sino yan, coach? Coach! Sino yan?
Estante.
India. Pinasa kayo ng laig. Tumira.
Down, Carlos! Down! Down! Down!
Tawag mga bola. Panlaw. Tumira na 3. Wala. Small red. Number 6, pushing foul.
Hindi, sa ano pa kayo next week? Silang subukas ang...
Time out. Silang.
Good na sila, coach. Parang 11 pa lang.
Sport, well,
13 ba?
Panlaw. Pinasakay pa yung Mea. Number 34. Masupor. Pasobra ang pasa. Number 12. Gusto mo ang atakihin. Si Palmea. Floater. Wala.
sana.
Nagkakagulo na.
Down, down, down!
Number 34. Libre layup.
Score sheet niya. Score sheet.
Number 12. Out Coach Pao.
Kasama na sa 500.
Yung short, sir. Nag-season ako. Sabi na, sir, pag
Walaw. Matake, floater. Wala. Number 8. Pinasahingin siya. Outlet pass, may manahin. Loret. Manmeya.
Pasok.
Pasok on now. Pinasa sa ilalim. Kaya, wow. Dahil sa akin po.
Wala pala si Chris Odo. 34 na watch. Gentle coach, wala kang team foul.
Aldea.
9 na coach, 9 na.
Balik sa apat ang kalamangan ng silang. Walaw. Turnover ulit para sa Gentry.
9:13 na coach.
Number 12. Oh! Grabe ko yung Johnson na yun. Libre.
Okay, defense. Kailangan nandun yung presence mo.
Palmea ulit. Ayos silang bola. Pass break. India. Palmea, matake. That's good.
Points. 7 na.
Coach, kung ano kasi
Ano substitution? Lamang ng apat ang silang.
wala pa po dyan, coach.
India.
Ngayon po si
Johnson. Wala. Anita. Pero sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound ulit. Torres. Number 2. Number 2, sumalang din. Nasa India. Ice fruit ba?
Binigay na.
Diretso na pala yan. Sabi kasi tayo mo eh. Dito ko na lalagay.
Sevilla. Foul. Busmalret. Number 22, India.
si Villa, out. Torres, pinasa sa ilalim. Nakakuha ni si Villa, tumira. Back, number 2. Number 2. Pass fake. Pinasa. Tumira. Wala. Santos, nakuha ang bola. Pinasa kay Rosan. Tumira.
3 seconds.
3 seconds. Violation.
Franco.
Torres. Matakin si India. Pinasa kay Anita. Oh. Pinasa kay Musan. Santos. Nakakuha ni Baisa. Natatrap. Nakakuha ni Anita. Kulay.
Basa!
Nasaan yun natin yung best kit natin? Best kit, ito to.
Balik. Balik.
India. Step up. Tumira ng Torres. Wala. Nakakuha ni Anita. Santos. Pinasa kay Anita ulit. Pinasa kay India. 3 seconds.
Torres, inbound, Torres!
Torres. Move shot. Ay, counter. Wala. Nakakuha ni Anita. Pinasa kay India. Outlet pass kay number 2. Number 2. Wala. Santos. Almasan. Pinasa kay India ulit. 1 dribble pull up. Wala. Nakakuha ni Torres. Torres.
Solo.
Down mo lang ng ayos dyan.
Franco stop. Pass to Sevilla.
Coach.
Down.
Intercepted. Santos stop. Take a shot. No.
Advance time
Alpha
out.
shot.
Advance time out. Time out.
Silang 20. Gentry 11. A 9-point lead. 22-11. Sorry. 22-11. Gentry, wala nang time out sa second quarter. Alin?
Ano lang yan? 11 lang. Mababa lang yan. Rotation ng bola, ha? Hindi pwedeng buhaya, ha?
foul. There's number 2. Penalty. Penalty ba? Number 2, first personal foul. Silang penalty.
Ba't hindi niyo pa ito sinataksak?
Mamalo ba?
Okay lang yan, isa pa.
Asan ang court nito, ma'am?
Coach? Coach Larry!
Hindi, hindi.
Hindi, pagka ganyan seconds, nakastop na yan.
Dahil sumut. Sumut ba?
Hindi.
Miss both free throws. Amita to Khalid.
Talaga tayo sa transition ng ano.
Almahar. To Khalid na naman sa ilalim. Pass to Santos. Mga pass. Santos no. Torres.
Seconds.
4.8 seconds. Time remaining sa second quarter.
Para po di malaglag.
Ah, yung power bank. Alam ko na agad eh.
Ay, second na tayo.
Next, ikot to. Ikot to na iba.
Bawal yan, pero sila pa. Kahit ganyan eh. Dito pa nga. Dito sa court na yan.
Yan ba?
May isa pa nga dito ah. Intention.
Intention.
Rotation ng bola. Trabaho. Kaya ako kanina. Nalito kanina. Hindi na rin namin sa kalam. Kasi medyo parang umalis na kaya na sa Mabilis naman eh.
Maraming salamat sa sponsor mo.
Pinauulit. Napakalami ako.
Back to you, ball game. Start up second half with a score of 24 silang in favor of Gentry 11.
Siya na quarter na. Quarter na.
Ason for 3. Short. Ball goes to Gentry.
Let's go, Carlos! Second pa lang ah. Ayun. Apo. Sir? Second pa lang. Oo nga no. Second. Ito second pa lang.
Back to you. Ang gugulo kayo eh. Kayo manggulo.
India. India stop.
Tay, hold lang yung wala ha. Tay, walang muna.
Steal by India. Pass to Piedad. Montoya sa ilalim, no. India put up 2 points.
Back. Kailangan yung ball. Ano yan eh. Tayo,
sulat.
Defense! Defense! Defense!
India strikes the middle. Extra pass to Montoya.
Penalty, no penalty.
Foul jersey number 17.
Ilang team foul?
First pa lang, first.
Third personal foul, first team foul. Masangkay fake. There's a traveling violation.
Yan, sige mag-block,
Committed by
mag-block yan.
Sulat. India crossover move. Sa middle, natapikan. Kanya pa rin. 2 points by India.
Uy, sige!
Sa high fix. Sa high fix, no? Piedad. Sahay 1-2 step, using the glass,
Yan, sige
using his left hand, 2 points.
That's what you're doing!
A left striker from Gentry, Sulat. Usahay, back to Masangkay, Masangkay, stop, Masangkay shot, no. Labeling violation. What a good block coming from jersey number 4, Palmea.
Advance time on po ako.
Sangkay, Usahay sa middle, Usahay. Floats, no.
Time out po, time out po, time out, time out.
Time out! Gentry. Back to you, ball game. A 13-point lead with a score of 28.
Lapit.
Silang and Christine Gentry. Palmea. Stop and pop. No, rebounded by India. After pass to jersey number 2. Number 2, stop, take a shot. No. Sahay, Usulan. Sahay, Sulat, skip the defender. Not intercepted by Silang. India for 3. No.
Kailan siya pumasok? Ang dami-dami na pumasa. Nice!
Sahay with a scoop layup, 2 points. The lead
Mandatory.
goes down to 11.
Mandatory.
Back to you, ball game. What a race! Traveling violation.
Ito, maliit na. Gentry, naka-upload clip.
Si Lauren.
Torres, elbow shot, no? Jersey number 12, taking for 3. Short. From a stop, pass to Torres. Middle, smooth. Floater, 2 point. A quick 4-0 run for Gentry.
Nine na lang yan. Nine na lang. Nine.
Putting the lead goes down. Goes down to 9 points. Injury timeout. Ready for substitution na isa silang. Ready na kayo na isa dyan.
Coach Alvin. Coach Alvin. Coach, isa. Pasok.
Coach team foul. One. Isa pala. Kabila.
Official score. Kasi Amita. Kasi Amita.
Screen!
Torres natapigan. Jersey number 2 nagmamadali using the glass low. Rebounded by Amita. But there's a foul.
Yung yellow. Yung yellow yung sapatos.
Panlaw, first personal foul. First team foul. Amita splits the charity. The lead goes back to 12 points. Foul, jersey number 12. Reaching foul, number 12. First personal foul, second team foul. Torres. Pass to Panlaw. Counter steal. Number 23 Torres. Panlaw sa ilalim using the glass. 2 points. And the lead, goes back to 10 points. Amita fake. Amita stop. To India lane for 3. No. Amita 1 dribble.
Lagis! Lagis!
Turnover. Ball goes to Silang.
Ay!
Liam stop. Torres crossing over. Derecho. Pass to Onlao, intercepted na naman. India using the glass, coast to coast, 2 points.
Paano nagawan yun? Parang hiningian lang ng candy, no?
Franco, pass into the middle. One dribble stop, intercepted. Amita 2 points. Lobo na naman ang kalamangan. 10 seconds remaining. Basa na lang. Onlao fake.
Manalo ko ng gabi.
Ako na nakakashoot ng tres eh. Yung mga shooter namin, hindi ko ka-shoot. Naging shooter pa.
Buwan kasi ako nagpapalaki ako.
Tamaan ka agad, wala pa naman ako. Kaya sinasabi sa iyo eh. Pag nasa hearing ka sa Senado, hindi ka pwede makita. Huli ka agad.
Ano ba schedule?
Back to you, ball game. Start of the 4th quarter. Fourth and the last quarter.
Next tayo, division 3. Silang 110.
The score is 35. 35-21 in favor of Silang.
Ivan, ito si ikaw si Unlaw. Ito si Unlaw. Ito si Tangkay. Ano ba yan?
Unlaw. Oh, yun na, unlaw. Ito? Oh? Hindi lang. Stang. Ah, okay. Stang. Stang.
Same ball!
Stang eh. Stang din.
Yan, using the screen to Montoya. Montoya, 1, 2, 3 balls, stop. Behind the back pass to Almacar, crossing over. Almacar, what?
What? 14? 14? 14?
Sahay with a couple of free ball.
Bawi, bawi! Isa pa, isa pa! Gusto ko yun, di ba?
Nine, violation. The ball goes back to net. Palmea. Side back to Palmea, taking for 3. Palmea, 3 points.
Defense, defense!
India double team. ball. Same ball. Montoya sa ilalim no. Offensive rebound, pass to Santos. Grab, stop. Palmea again, going for three. But this time no. Santos. Get that through the legs. Pass to Montoya. Steal.
Yan,
Steal.
side.
Sevilla, extra pass sa ilalim, Sahay. But no.
Down, 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 down! Taga na. Let's go, let's go.
India, no? Almacar, put back. No? Sahay to Sevilla. Cross-court pass. Sevilla, stop. Sevilla, extra pass sa ilalim. No!
Yan, pasa.
Counter steal by Balmea. Another steal. Almacar, another steal. Sevilla, teammate, papas na naman. Back to Sevilla sa ilalim. What a unselfish play from Sevilla. Jersey number 28.
Sab.
2 points, substitution left.
Carlos!
Foul jersey number 23, Santos. First personal foul. Second team foul. First personal foul, first team foul. One shot. Sevilla, bonus free throw. Play. At ang kalamangan ay naubata sa 8. Panasen, short stop. Overshoot.
Sab.
But the ball remains sa silang. Substitution left.
Pausok niya, pausok.
Tawag. Intercepted. Na kanino ang bola lumabas at mananatili sa silang mga kaibigan ng bola ngayong fourth quarter. Marcos, pass to India. India split the defender. India taking strong to the lane. But no. Escaque to Baisa. Short stop. India in and out. India stop and back. India using the glass. 2 points. And the lead back to double digit. A 10-point lead for Silang.
Sab.
Line violation.
Dad,
Substitution left.
Jai!
Tawag. Pasok.
Hindi. Jai!
Masangkay, crossover. Steal, there's a steal. Marcus to Liam. Liam nagmamadali. Liam stop. A little floater but not good. Torres. 1-2 step using the bounce. Oh, and there's a head ball. The same ball. A possession arrow goes to Jeffrey. And Stanley taking for three using the glass. No. There's a foul.
Ha? Bakit? Ano naman? Gusto mo gabi?
Steal, there's a steal.
Onlaw, coach. Ayan na, coach.
On down. Using the glass, 2 points.
Pag-get ball po, pag-get.
Baba na naman sa 8 ang kalamangan ng silang. Ramos. Nakakuha ng foul. Jersey number 21, Masangkay. Substitution rep. Tawag. Labas. Tawag. Pasok. Tawagin nyo na yung mga sasabat nyo, mga pogi. Liam, first throw.
Pag nakashoot sa pa. Yung thrower, shoot, coach.
Advanced substitution.
Yan, sila play tuloy eh.
India fake. India 1 dribble pull up. 2 points by India. 10 na naman ang kalamangan ng mga taga-silang. Masangkay kinukulit. Masangkay nagawa na ng bola. India binitbit ng bola. Ay. Loose ball foul. Jersey number 22. Substitution red. Ramos out. Nakayama in. Ramos, Liam out. Liam out. Substitution po, substitution. Masangkay, tuwan daw, intercepted na naman. India to Amita. Hey, Amita stop! Pero nakakuha ng foul, jersey number 29.
Coach, shoot ba yung onlaw, coach?
Onlaw. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Advanced substitution. There's a steal. Nasa ilalim na naman si Kayeks using the glass. In and out. Masangkay. Onlaw. Onlaw in the Euro step. Almost, but not quite. Jersey number 6.
Ivan.
Substitution run. Number 6. First personal foul. 13 fouls. First attempt. Good.
Fourth.
India din naman. Inagay sa likod ng ring. Sayang. Substitution. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Out. In, out. In and out. Sahay. 2 on Lau with a double crossover. Step and pop. Nothing but air. Piedad, Almasan sa gitna. Almasan with a power move. No! Amita! Put it back. Put it back. Last 1 minute.
Ang giniglaro dito kay Brera.
50 seconds.
Shoot!
Almea for 3. Piedad. 2. Libya. Completing a turnover. 8 seconds. Violation. Substitution rep.
33, 38 seconds.
In, out.
Tawag.
Wala.
Next game. Division 3. Silang 1 versus Gentry. Ready na? Stretching na kayo para palagpagan na tayo mamaya. Oy, release communication. Para counter steal. What? Eurostep. Grabe, favorite ng Eurostep. Jersey number 11, Almasan. Second personal foul. Warning or penalty.
8
First shot is good.
seconds. 8 seconds. 8.8.
15 seconds time remaining. Starting fourth quarter. 9 violation. Buzzer na lang po ang maririnig.
Wala yan. Nakalaro naman lahat eh. Application na.
Buzzer na lang po ang maririnig. 8 seconds violation. .7 time remaining. 3.7. Malalabing oras sa ating fourth quarter. Sulat. End of the ball game. Score natin 42-34. In favor of
Okas, pagkano ka na?
sila. Next game. Division 3 sila 1 versus Gen 3. Wala pa tayo. 5.